Great replacements for my 86 150 HP XR2. Replace the cables also and everything fit like a new pair of gloves. I used this engine control on my 1988 Mercury 90. It's attached in the same holes that I had for the previous side mount, which did not have the trim feature. All connections fit correctly. Only head scratcher was the color coding for the trim gauge. Mine required the use of the solid brown as opposed to the BRWWHT wire which the instructions indicated. Would recommend. I searched high and low for a new Mercury side mount control box for my 20 feet War Eagle. Fortunately, I found this unit at half the cost and pulled the trigger, and was I pleasantly surprised. I feel like I have a new boat again. No sloppiness in the cables, and the box is exceptionally well designed. If you're looking for a superior product that rivals the best of them at an affordable price point, you will not be disappointed.